Hello everybody, Gbenga Olatunji here, welcoming you to GJAMES Associates channel, looking at the role of Security and Exchange Commission under the Financial Environment and Capital Market Institution. It's been a while now that we've been dealing with this topic and we are breaking it down into particles, if I can use that word. Now we quickly want to examine the role of Security and Exchange Commission. Basically and fundamentally, SEC, that is Security and Exchange Commission in any country, is for regulation. So SEC is known for regulatory purposes and functions, regulating the capital market. And this function is so important to protect the investors and the capitalists. And basically is to protect also the country, because if the investment begins to go down, ultimately the GDP will be affected and the nation's economy directly or indirectly will be affected. So key role of SEC is to protect the investment environment within a nation and the capital market. Before we go into elaborate areas of the role of SEC, it is important to mention that SEC as a body corporate, as an organization set up to regulate capital market industry, also we have its own departments and its own functions under it that make it able to work and deliver results. Typically, a Security and Exchange Commission as an office, as an organization, we have divisions like that of Division of Corporate Finance, Division of Enforcement, Division of Investment Management, a department that deals with economic and risk analysis, Trading Division that deals with trading and the market, that is the operations, and many more departments could be in Security and Exchange Commission as an organization. Having said that, what are the roles of Security and Exchange Commission? One of it is that SEC is to register all securities to be offered either for sale or for subscription to the public and by the public. So SEC is the registrar of security in the capital market. Please always remember that. Also, SEC approves the timing of new issues when a security will go live in the capital markets. Must be approved by Security and Exchange Commission before it could be traded on the stock exchange market. So I've mentioned registration of security, I've mentioned approval of timing of issue. Also, another role that SEC must play is in the maintenance of surveillance over dealings in security, and this is highly important role that SEC must play. SEC must be able to regulate, SEC must be able to play surveillance role, especially when it comes to insider dealing, wrong pricing dealing, the big money bags trying to bully the small investors in the market, and so many more malpractices that could happen in the capital market. So surveillance over dealings in security is key and must be played by the Security and Exchange Commission. Also, they must register all exchange, which may include the capital market operators too. We've spoken about registration of the security itself. Now, before somebody could be capital market operator, he or she or the organization must be equally known and registered by the Security and Exchange Commission. Last but not the least that I'm going to mention is they must protect the security markets against manipulations, insider dealings, and like this may equally yoke with that of surveillance. They must ensure that malpractices are abated and curbed to the barest minimum as much as it lies within their power and authority to do so. The next we are going to be going into will be the role of the stock exchange. The role of stock exchange is what we are going to be looking at. This is GJAMES Associate channel. We would love that you subscribe to us so that when we upload new video, you will be there to get notification first. And also, if you've enjoyed what you've listened to so far, don't forget to like us. Don't forget to comment. Don't forget to share to others so that others around you could easily be reached. The email you can use to contact us is being displayed from GJAMES Associate channel. Next, we will be discussing the role of Nigerian Stock Exchange. Like us, comment. We are value to life. We are value to your businesses.